It's 44 past 1. I've got an issue with my GH5 and it's a strange one. I don't know if anyone else has this issue. And to demonstrate what the issue is, I'm gonna have to break my own rules. I'm gonna have to swap. I'm gonna have to do some editing on this daily vlog because I'm gonna start filming on this, and because I need to take the GH5 apart or off. I need to use the GH5 to show you what the problem is. So this is the GH5 here, and I'm gonna swap to ye old iPhone right now. We'll hit a record on that. So that's recording. So now we're on both. So there's the transfer. We'll transfer to this guy. How am I going to do this though? I've got to pop you down. Crikey, this is going to be hard. I'm going to pop you down here. Like that. Maybe. I hope you can see me. I'll come down on your level. So I'll stop the record here. Now here's the issue. There's some shaking going on. Now, to eliminate all the possibilities, let's just strip this sucker down. Take the microphone off, pop that down here. Still something shaking in there. We'll take the Joby GorillaPod off. Still something shaking on there. We'll make sure it's not the base plate from the GorillaPod. Take that sucker right off. I Loctited this at one point. There's still something shaking, and it's not these. I've removed those little catches on there. I removed those ages ago. That doesn't sound right. Now let's take the lens off to make sure it's not the lens. Hate taking lenses off. Put that down there for safekeeping. Stay there. Now, watch this. What the hell is that? Take the battery out. Close the battery compartment. It's almost like, you know what it is? It's the sensor free falling. That's probably normal, right? I mean, this has stabilization. Is that the sensor wobbling on its own stabilization without power? I'm gonna put the lens back on. I don't want to get any dust in there. It's too late for that anyway. But yeah, I just, maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Is that what that is? Is that shaking going on inside? Is that the sensor moving around, and you probably shouldn't shake it too much? I've never noticed it before. I have heard some clicking sounds on some footage, but not a lot of footage. But then I think maybe it might be the microphone, because these mics come with such a long cable. I've cable tied it up, but then it still clicks sometimes when it taps the edge of the camera. I don't know what it is, but it's not something that's really bugging me, but I want to know if it's normal. So if you have a GH5 and yours makes a shaking sound like that when you take everything apart and you strip it down to its basics, that's got to be what it is. Turn it back on. The concerning thing is when you turn it back on, it still does it. So if it's powered up and that floating sensor is doing its thing, shouldn't it stay in the same spot? Maybe I don't understand the tech well enough. But issues. GH5